one of those quick video sessions. I'm gonna do edge highlighting. Very simple. Last video we used the same model, and I'm just gonna put this dry brush the highlights. And now do the usual, we water our paints down. Make sure it's watered down quite a bit, yeah. Want a thin consistency. And then just grab a bit. Make sure you got a nice point in your brush. And this is it, man. This is what we do. We just paint over the edges. It's called edge highlighting because you're using the edge. Using the edge of the brush. You're just going over the edge areas very slowly. Just bring it out. More of the highlights. There you can see those dry brushed first, and basically we're literally just painting over the raised areas, you know, just to bring those edges out more. Just lightly go over it. These soft hands. The other thing that I do is I don't do it straight away. Like I'll go like this. I'll just play around, build, get the momentum going on the brush, and then slowly come closer and then paint it on. Same with the front. So it's just very simple. Take your time. Make a mistake, like it's okay. Just paint over it. You know, a lot of back and forth. Same thing with these edges, like you could go on the back here. Really just getting those edge highlights in. Yeah. I'm going to bring it close to the camera. Yeah. See that? You can do it that way. Oh, let's see there, sorry. You just go over slowly. Yeah. And it comes up. Then you go back lighter and lighter. Just paint over that. If you make mistakes, no big deal. Same down here. Just use the side. There you go, you see how it just comes up. Use the side of the brush. It's very easy when you use the side of the brush. It'll just pick up. And then you can get the lighter, mix a bit of white, get a lighter highlight and add that. Add it at the bottom here. Add it here. And just work around the whole model. Slowly here as well. You just end up working around the whole model, building it up slowly. Also, just wanted to point out these brushes, what brushes I use. So I use this series here, Winsor Newton. Get 4 brushes in here. You get size 1, 2, this one 3, yeah, and then there's a triple, there's a 0 here. And I've also got a triple, this triple 0. I use the Citadel ones as well from the Mega Paint set that I've got. I'll put a link in the description for the brushes, and yeah, great brushes. Definitely recommend them. Winsor Newton Series 7. And until next time, you click on the description below. You can subscribe. There's a free ebook, and you can download that. And if you subscribe to my channel with your email, you can sign up, and then I'll send you weekly, sometimes every 3 days, get updates, some links to some stuff I use that should help me and be useful for me, and paints that I've used and other equipment. So until next time, happy painting.